Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to fix Rode wireless Go microphone louder voice issue. So let's take a look how to fix that. You might be recently buy this Rode wireless Go microphone. Even myself, when I bought this microphone, I was very confused that whenever I try to record this microphone and it's giving very high noise, or the voice is not that much clear. Here is the tips where I will share with you how you can fix that voice issue. Or you might be looking for to reduce the recording volume. This is like you might be by default when you brought this Rode wireless Go microphone, this default this volume, you can see this is really high. I will definitely suggest you to make this medium, so later on whenever you're going to record anything with this Rode wireless Go microphone, that's going to give you a good voice. For example, how you can reduce the voice. Actually, in this DP, whenever you turn on this wireless Go microphone, you're going to see there's writing something, say DP. So you have to press one time, and then now you need to reduce the microphone voice recording session. So you're going to press again one. You can see this is coming in the one. If you are, we will suggest you to make it the medium, and there is a 1, 2, 3 level. So I will definitely suggest you to make it level 2. So after that, you try to record this Rode microphone, and let's see and check the difference between previously when you bought this Rode wireless microphone and whenever you record something, and after this setting, definitely it's going to be fixed. Definitely, if it is fixed, definitely write in the comment section below if it was helpful for you. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.